And in this today's tutorial, we are going to understand how to add conditional tasks, how to add conditions to the task based on the requirement of the plant in FlexSim simulation. Are you looking for simulation support and simulation training? Visit Leansimcorp.com and here you will be getting different support related to FlexSim simulation and related to FlexSim training. Do not forget to be a member of Leansimcorp and get exciting member benefits starting from FlexSim tutorials to different modules and much more. So visit now Leansimcorp.com and be a member. So welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel. So if you could look at the simulation model, what you are able to see is, we are able to see a person who is transferring the boxes, but he is visiting every queue and you can see he is just looking like he's checking the capacity of each queue and then he's filling the queue. So I'll just run that again and you can see that the task for today's tutorial is that we have to create a simulation model where this Q1 will only get two pieces or two boxes. This queue will be having only one part capacity and the last queue is going to have a capacity of 3 parts. So the operator has to visit each of the queue, check the capacity, whether the capacity is available. If it is available, he is going to put the boxes into the queue. If not, he is going to look in for another queue. So that is what the logic has to be created, and that is what we will be learning in today's tutorial, that how to create that. So if you could have seen our last tutorial on arrays, subflows, using subflows and arrays for conditional task tutorial operator, you could have seen that we have only this pink color plane and the yellow color plane. We have only these two planes. What we have done and what you need to do is you need to duplicate these yellow color plane into 2 more planes. So we have 3 total queues, and then you need to change the capacity of this queue to 2, 1 and then 3. Okay, this is the most important parameter you need to check. Once you copy paste this planes, what is going to have is automatically in the group which we created in the last tutorial, operator group and the destination group. In the destination group, you will be having another new queues being added automatically. Okay, you need to verify that whether the queues are automatically added to your group. These are some of the key checkpoints you need to do before we move ahead into most advanced part of tutorial. And before we move ahead, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. And do not forget to post your queries in the comment section below. And visit our website Leansimcorp.com to explore our premium modules, premium FlexSim models, or premium FlexSim tutorials, which are available at Leansimcorp.com. So in this tutorial, as I mentioned, we are going to create this task. And for that, what we need to do is we have to create the process flow. Okay, and I have created the process flow, and I'll just open the process flow for now. So the process flow is updated. So in the last tutorial, if you haven't seen that, I'll request you to watch that first, because then only you will understand the beauty of creating this model. And this is really very helpful in industries because such type of tasks you need to simulate a lot of time, and you will definitely get this model used. If you want this model to be downloaded, reach us out from contact us page on Leansimcorp.com and we would connect with you to get this model to you directly. Okay, if you're looking for FlexSim simulation support or looking for training courses related to simulation, or if you're looking for digital twin solutions, or you're looking for engineering automation, you're on a right page. Visit Leansimcorp.com and be a member now to get access and support in all these domains.